You don't have a motivation problem. You have a habits problem. And right now, you probably have 5 specific habits working against you every single day without you even knowing. Think about it. You wake up with good intentions. You tell yourself, today will be different. But somehow, by the end of the day, nothing important got done. And you blame yourself. You call yourself lazy. You think something is wrong with you. But nothing is wrong with you. You're just unknowingly running habits that silently drain your energy, your focus, and your drive. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what they are and how to fix them. Stick till the end, because habit number 5 is the one most people never talk about, and it might be the single biggest reason nothing has worked for you so far. Habit number 1. Starting your day without a target. Most people wake up, check their phone, scroll for a bit, and just react to their day. No plan, no direction, just whatever comes next. And the problem? Your brain doesn't know where to go. Think of it like a GPS with no destination entered. It doesn't just pick a random route, it stays still. And when your brain has no clear target, it defaults to the easiest thing available. That's usually your phone, social media, something comfortable. That's why you end up doing nothing important, not because you're lazy, but because your brain was never given a direction to begin with. Simple fix. Before your day begins, write down one task you will finish today. Not 5, not 10, 1. One clear, specific task. That one decision gives your brain a direction. It gives you a reason to start. And suddenly, motivation starts to appear on its own. Habit number 2. Waiting until you feel like it. Here's the lie most people believe. When I feel motivated, I'll start. So they wait. And wait. And the feeling never really comes. But here's what nobody tells you. Motivation doesn't come before action. It comes after. Because motivation isn't the cause of action, it's the result. Your brain needs proof that something is worth doing, and the only way to give it that proof is to start. Start first, even for just 5 minutes. Do something small, anything. Open the document, write one sentence, do one push-up. Your brain will catch up. It's like a cold engine on a winter morning. It sputters at first. It needs a minute to warm up. But once it's running, it runs. The hardest moment is always the very first second. After that, it gets easier. So stop waiting to feel ready. You never will. Start anyway. Habit number 3. Trying to do everything at once. Starting tomorrow, I'll wake at 5 a.m., work out, study for 2 hours, eat clean, build a skill, and completely fix my life. Sound familiar? And then, by 10 p.m., nothing happened. Not because you're weak, not because you don't care enough, but because your brain got overwhelmed before you even started. When the to-do list is too long, when the goal feels too big, your brain doesn't rise to the challenge. It shuts down. This is called decision fatigue, and it's one of the biggest silent killers of motivation. The fix is simple but uncomfortable. Do less. Do it consistently. Pick one habit, one goal, one focus. Give it 2 weeks of real, consistent effort. One small win per day beats 10 big plans that never start. Every single time. Habit number 4. Feeding your brain easy dopamine. This one is sneaky. Every time you scroll through short videos, check notifications, or jump between apps, your brain gets a tiny hit of pleasure. And it likes it. It really likes it. So when you finally sit down to do actual work, Your brain compares it to the easy pleasure it was just getting and says, "This is boring. This is hard. I don't want to do this," and avoids it. That's not weakness. That's just how dopamine works. The more easy pleasure your brain gets, the harder real work feels by comparison. The fix isn't willpower. Willpower runs out. The fix is environment. Put your phone in another room before you start working. Turn off notifications. Close the extra tabs. Let yourself be bored for a few minutes before you begin. Because boredom feels uncomfortable at first. But boredom is also where your focus slowly comes back. Protect your brain from easy dopamine, and real work becomes possible again. Habit number 5. The voice in your head. Most important. This is the one most people completely ignore, and it's the most dangerous one on this list. It's not about your schedule. It's not about your phone. It's about the way you talk to yourself. Every time you say, "I'm lazy." Every time you say, "I can't do this." Every time you say, "I always give up. I always fail. I'm just not that kind of person." Your brain files it away, quietly, without argument. And slowly, over days, weeks, months, it starts treating those words as facts. It starts making decisions based on that identity. Imagine someone followed you around all day, and every hour they whispered in your ear, "You're lazy. You can't do this. You always fail." You'd lose motivation too. Anyone would. Now realize you're that person. That voice is yours. The shift is simple, but it changes everything. Instead of, "I can't do this," say, "I'm figuring this out." Instead of, "I always fail," say, "I'm getting better every day." Instead of, "I'm lazy," say, "I'm learning how to be consistent." It's not toxic positivity. It's not pretending everything is fine. It's redirecting your brain toward what's actually possible. Because you cannot build lasting motivation on a foundation that keeps telling you you're not enough. Fix the voice first. Everything else gets easier. So here's what we now know. You were never lazy. You were never broken. You were just running 5 habits that worked quietly against you every single day. But now you know what they are. Start your day with one clear target. Take action before waiting for motivation. Do less, but actually do it. Protect your focus from easy dopamine. And start talking to yourself like someone who is capable. Because you are. That's it. No complicated system. No overnight transformation. No perfect morning routine. Just 5 small shifts practiced consistently and a completely different result. Start with one today. Just one. Because one real step taken right now is worth 100 plans you never start.